What's up, Chasers? Sandstorm here today. We got a $200 mystery box from Team Shadow-Airsoft from their monthly giveaway. Alright, let's go ahead and dive right into it. So right now all I'm seeing is the gun case. Well, gun bag. Do different things. Let's see what we got. Alright, so we got a few pouches up here, so let's make sure there's nothing in them. Nothing will work unless you do. Interesting. Alright. Next one. Oh, look what we got here. We got a M4 mid-cap mag. Looks like from Lesser Tactical. A Swift Link sling from Condor. Some 2.8 precision BEDs. Alright. Let's see what we got over here. Oh! Alright, so it looks like we get some speed loaders from Uvike. Looks like a little pouch. Two more anti-tactical mags. Some goggles. A red dot. With some batteries. And some connections. And bad decisions make good stories. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. So, with everything in this box, I feel like that was a good win. Thank you to Team Shadow Airsoft for this box. And please like and subscribe. And we do have a Discord for the channel. And Sandstorm out.